Ramy tells the story of an Egyptian millennial who is grappling with his faith and what it means to be a moral person in a 21st century world.
So what is this exactly?
Ramy walks a really fine line between being a comedy and a drama. We're really not afraid to let those more emotional moments hit.
Your name? In Arabic, it means archer.
My favorite episode to cut in season 2 was episode 4.
You want the money? You make the shot. You miss? I get the dog.
We really wanted the stakes to feel real and feel high.
How about I give you a practice shot?
You want to be invested in what they're trying to do. And that all culminates in the archery scene. I really wanted the audience to feel like they were along with Ramy. Every TV show or movie I've cut has been in Premiere.
Just take out that arrow.
There's a way to just customize Premiere to visually work for you. Something I'll do is color every single scene a different color. So when I zoom out, I can just really easily see, okay, this is the longest scene in the episode. Does it deserve to be? This archery scene was one of the cornerstone scenes of this episode. Crafting that scene, I really wanted to feel like there were several twists throughout. Ramy and I really talked about the best way to pull that off. We chose to use close-ups for that moment between the prince and Ramy.
Yeah, I just hit it.
Yes, that was the practice shot. Now make the real shot.
Expanding that moment.
No, but I just hit the target.
On the practice.
Letting those close-ups linger.
Wouldn't have counted had you missed, right?
They're right in each other's face, almost playing a game of chicken.
I am really excited to see what happens next.
So a lot of the show is based on not being afraid to have really emotionally powerful moments.
Okay, all right. I'll just do it again.